The Atharvaveda is the fourth and final Veda in the Hindu tradition, and it stands out for its distinctive focus compared to the other three Vedas, the Rigveda, Yajurveda, and Samaveda. While the primary emphasis of the other Vedas lies in hymns of worship, sacrifices, and melodies, the Atharvaveda is unique in its practical orientation, particularly dealing with everyday life concerns. This Veda is often referred to as the Veda of Magic or Veda of Knowledge because it contains a mixture of rituals, spells, charms, and incantations, as well as hymns to deities that address a range of human needs, including health, wealth, protection, fertility, and social harmony. The structure of the Atharvaveda consists of 20 books or kandas, containing approximately 730 hymns and over 6,000 mantras. These mantras and hymns are varied in their purpose, offering practical solutions to the spiritual, physical, and emotional challenges faced by individuals and communities. Unlike the Rigveda, which focuses on praising and invoking gods through sacrificial hymns, the Atharvaveda is designed to tackle personal and social issues. It includes hymns not only for addressing physical illnesses and ailments but also for securing prosperity, success in battles, protection from evil, and the removal of curses. One of the most prominent themes in the Atharvaveda is healing. The Veda contains extensive sections dedicated to medical knowledge and treatment rituals for ailments. It praises Dhanvantari, the god of medicine, and includes numerous incantations for curing diseases, improving physical well-being, and promoting overall health. These healing hymns combine practical remedies with spiritual rituals. For example, they describe how specific mantras and chants can help drive away disease-causing spirits or promote the body's natural healing abilities. The importance of herbal medicine is also evident, as the Atharvaveda lists various plants and herbs considered beneficial for maintaining health and curing sickness, providing the foundation for Ayurvedic practices, a system of traditional medicine that flourished in later Hindu culture. Alongside health, protection plays a central role in the Atharvaveda. Many hymns are dedicated to safeguarding individuals and communities from external and supernatural threats. There are spells that invoke deities to protect homes, families, and villages from natural disasters, invasions, and hostile forces. In a world where spiritual and material realms were deeply interconnected, these hymns were believed to ward off harmful entities and restore balance. Protection from evil spirits and malevolent forces is another recurring theme. The Atharvaveda provides specific rituals for exorcising demons and other negative forces that might cause illness, misfortune, or destruction. This focus on protection through ritual magic is one of the key characteristics that distinguish the Atharvaveda from other Vedic texts. Another significant theme in the Atharvaveda is the use of magic and sorcery to influence various aspects of life. Spells and incantations are often included in the Veda to bring about desired outcomes, such as success in love, fertility, and victory in battle. These magical rituals reveal the ancient Vedic belief in the power of words, chants, and mantras to influence the forces of nature and the divine. There are also prayers designed to help individuals win favor in matters of wealth and success, as well as to secure fertility, whether for crops, livestock, or the birth of children. The Atharvaveda is particularly significant because it is the Veda that deals most extensively with the practice of magical rites and incantations to achieve specific material and spiritual goals. Fertility and prosperity are also recurrent themes throughout the Atharvaveda. It includes hymns that invoke deities to ensure the fertility of both crops and people. These prayers reflect the deeply agricultural society of the Vedic period, where ensuring an abundant harvest was a matter of survival. Additionally, there are spells for ensuring marital harmony and childbirth, and for enhancing financial prosperity and material success. The Atharvaveda also includes practical advice for social and communal well-being. Hymns are included to maintain harmony and peace within the community, which in turn would ensure the protection and prosperity of all its members. The Atharvaveda reflects the deep connection between personal welfare and community well-being, emphasizing the idea that individual prosperity contributes to the overall health and success of society. The Atharvaveda also addresses death and the afterlife, with hymns dedicated to funeral rites and the safe passage of the soul to the next world. The Atharvaveda offers detailed guidance on funeral ceremonies to ensure that the soul of the departed is properly honored and protected during its journey to the afterlife. These rituals reflect the Vedic belief in an existence beyond this life and the importance of proper rites to ensure a peaceful transition. In addition, the Atharvaveda provides hymns that protect the living from premature death or untimely accidents. It underscores the significance of divine intervention in guiding the soul and protecting individuals from the unknown dangers associated with death. The social and moral aspects of the Atharvaveda are also important. It includes hymns that outline the principles of dharma, or righteous living, focusing on maintaining justice, truth, and moral integrity in both personal and social spheres. These hymns stress the importance of moral conduct and spiritual harmony for the well-being of individuals and the society as a whole. This reflects the idea that spiritual practices, while seeking to appease deities and secure divine favor, must also align with ethical standards that promote social and moral order. Unlike the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, and Samaveda, which focus primarily on sacrificial rites, hymns of praise, and musical rituals, the Atharvaveda is more pragmatic in its approach. It is concerned with the immediate needs and practical concerns of everyday life. The hymns are intended to solve problems or fulfill desires, addressing both the physical and spiritual needs of individuals. The Atharvaveda's rituals and mantras focus less on elaborate sacrificial worship and more on ways to secure success, prosperity, protection, and healing through more personal and magical interventions. The Atharvaveda's contribution extends beyond ritualistic practices. It has had a profound impact on the later developments in Hinduism and Indian culture. Many of the spells and incantations found in the Atharvaveda influenced the growth of tantric traditions, where the power of mantras, gestures, and rituals is central to spiritual practice. Furthermore, the text's emphasis on healing, medicinal practices, and rituals helped lay the groundwork for Ayurveda, the traditional system of Indian medicine. Ayurveda, like the Atharvaveda, views health as the balance of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, and it incorporates many of the herbal remedies and healing prayers from the Atharvaveda. The Atharvaveda is also notable for its philosophical contributions. It addresses a wide range of cosmological and theological questions. The hymns reflect on the nature of the universe, the role of rituals in shaping reality, and the influence of both visible and invisible forces on human life. It blends practical concerns with spiritual wisdom, recognizing that both the material and spiritual aspects of existence are deeply intertwined. This broader understanding of life, death, and the forces of nature in the Atharvaveda provides a more holistic view of human existence in relation to the cosmic order. In conclusion, the Atharvaveda is a unique and influential text within the Vedic tradition. While the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, and Samaveda emphasize sacrificial rituals and hymns to gods, the Atharvaveda addresses the human experience with a practical, magical, and health-oriented focus. It provides a complex system of rituals, spells, and prayers that deal with personal welfare, healing, protection, social harmony, and success. With its emphasis on health and medicine, its magical rituals, and its reflections on the nature of the universe and human existence, the Atharvaveda has played an enduring role in shaping Hindu culture and the spiritual practices of India. Its influence continues to be seen in the fields of ritual magic, medicine, and philosophy even today.